In every frame, a story unfolds. Through the lens, the world becomes clearer. Its beauty, its chaos, its simplicity. Media and photography are more than just images. They are moments frozen in time.
Our school has several extracurricular activities. One of these is media. In our school, media has great impact among the students. Media classes in our school had engaged students to boost up their creativity level.
The media is the most powerful entity on the earth. They have the power to make the innocent guilty and to make the guilty innocent.
We'd like to thank our school for giving us these opportunities, and my grateful thanks to our teacher.
Every shot is a brushstroke, every scene a canvas waiting to be filled. Our school photographers, the storytellers, the dreamers and the visionaries, thank you for capturing the world we live in, one frame at a time.